Hello, children. In English grammar, the next chapter is parts of the sentence. Each and every sentence is divided into two parts. First part of the sentence is subject, and the second part of the sentence is predicate. Subject, we can define the subject. The name of the person or thing we speak about is called subject. मीन्स जिस पर्सन के बारे में, जिस चीज के बारे में, जिस प्लेस के बारे में हम बात करते हैं उसको हम सब्जेक्ट कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, काउच आर डोमेस्टिक एनिमल. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट काउच. किसके बारे में बोल रहे हैं हम? काउच. तो काउच हियर, काउच इज द सब्जेक्ट एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ड आर प्रेडिकेट. Are domestic animal. All words are known as predicate. And now in predicate, second part is predicate. What we say about the subject. Subject के बारे में हम जो कहते हैं वो predicate कहलाया जाता है. Means in simple way, the doer. Doer means करने वाला, कर्ता, वो subject कहा जाता है. And what action is done by him is known as predicate. और जो भी कार्य उसके द्वारा किया जाता है या जो भी what we describe about the subject is known as predicate. जो भी हम उसके बारे में बताते हैं, वर्णन करते हैं, उसको हम predicate कहते हैं. Okay. Now means you have to know. For example, the dog barks at stranger. Here in this sentence we are talking about the dog. किसके बारे में बोल रहे हैं? We are describing about the dog. This is the subject. And barks at stranger. Barks is verb, at is preposition, and stranger. Stranger is noun. So means rest of the words except doer, rest of the word are known as predicate. कर्ता के अलावा जिसके बारे में हम बोलते हैं उसके अलावा बाकी सारे वर्ड predicate होते हैं. All the animals in the jungle were afraid to the lion. किसके बारे में बोल रहे हैं हम? ये पूरा all the animals in the jungle. जंगल में सारे एनिमल्स के बारे में बोल रहे हैं. तो इट इज सब्जेक्ट एंड व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग, वी आर अफ्रेड टू द लायन. तो ये हम बता रहे हैं कि ये लायन से डर गए. दिस इज द प्रेडिकेट. थर्ड वन, दे वेयर इन द क्लासरूम. इसके बारे में बोल रहे हैं दे, उनके बारे में बोल रहे हैं दे, वे. दिस इज द सब्जेक्ट. Where in the classroom is predicate. Means we can divide the predicate into many parts. Here comes verb, preposition, adverb, adjective, noun, object. Okay, rest of the thing I will tell you ahead. But today I am telling you difference between object. Object has two parts, direct and indirect object. Person, place or thing is known as indirect object. Direct object. Okay, direct object. And preposition, personal pronoun is known as indirect object. Personal pronoun we can say I, my, mine, me, we, our, ours, us, you, yours, his, him, her. So these are the personal pronoun. These are known as indirect object. One example I am telling you. My mother gave me a mango. we can strike out subject here, my mother. My mother is subject. We are talking about my mother. And the rest of the word gave is verb. और मैं आगे आपको अब बताऊंगा जब पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच आपको by and by I will teach you parts of speech. And gave is the verb. Me is the personal pronoun. I, my, mine, me. बोला था ना मैंने. तो me is the personal pronoun. It is known as indirect object. And a mango is a thing. It is direct object. Clear? And here, my father brought me a ripe mango. So we are describing about my father. My father is subject. Brought is verb. For is preposition. Me is personal pronoun. It is indirect object. A ripe means adjective. Mango is noun. So these are, mango is also thing, direct object. So sub rest of the adjective, adverb, everything I will teach you when gradually I will teach you all the parts of the speech. Okay, thank you children. That topic is over of the day, and tomorrow we will meet again.